First question. The neighboring country of India which has the smallest area is answer option A Bhutan. Next question. The approximate length of the coastline of India is answer option B 7000 km. India has a land boundary of about dash kilometer. Answer option D 15,200 km. India has a dash largest country in the world. Answer option C 7th largest country. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Nepal? Answer option C 5 states. The name of 5 Indian states share their boundary with Nepal. Answer Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Myanmar? Answer option B 4 states. The name of 4 Indian states share their boundaries with Myanmar. Answer Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Andhra Pradesh. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Bangladesh? Answer option C 5 states. The name of 5 Indian states share their boundaries with Bangladesh. Answer Assam, West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Bhutan? Answer option B 4 states. The name of 4 Indian states share their boundaries with Bhutan. Answer Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh. How many Indian states share their boundaries with China? Answer option C 5 states. The name of Indian states and union territories share their boundaries with China. Answer Ladakh, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Pakistan? Answer option C 5 states. The name of Indian states and union territories share their boundaries with Pakistan. Answer Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following border is known as the Radcliffe Line? Answer option D India and Pakistan. Which of the following border is known as Durand Line? Answer option C India and Afghanistan. Which of the following border is known as McMahon Line? Answer option A India and China. Which of the following border is known as Polk Strait? Answer option D India and Sri Lanka. The name of longest river in India is answer option A Ganga River. The name of shortest river in India is answer option D Arabhari River. The second largest river in India is answer option C Godavari. Which river is known as Saro of Bihar? Answer option D Kosi River. Which river is known as Saro of Odisha? Answer option B Mahanadi River. The name of largest river of Odisha is answer option B Mahanadi River. The name of second highest river in Odisha is answer option C Brahmani River. The longest tributary river of India is answer option A Godavari River. The name of longest river of South is answer option C Godavari River. Which of the following is the largest state of India by area? Answer option C, Rajasthan. Which of the following is the largest state of India by population? Answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following is the smallest state of India by area? Answer option D, Goa. Which is the largest union territory in India? Answer option A, Ladakh. Which is the smallest union territory of India? Answer option B, Lakshadweep. Which of the following state has the longest coastline? Answer option A, Gujarat. The largest mica producing states of India is? Answer option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian state has the largest share of the wasteland in India? Answer option B, Rajasthan. Which of the following neighboring country of India is not a landlocked country? Answer option C, Myanmar. In the northwest India shares its land boundary with which country? Answer option D, Pakistan. Which neighboring country of India is also referred as Dracule? Answer option B, Bhutan. Which of the following rivers flows from India to Pakistan? Answer option A, Satluj River. Guwahati is situated on the bank of which river? Answer option C, Brahmaputra River. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Answer option A, Yamuna River. Cuttack is situated on the bank of which river? Answer option D, Mahanadi River. Tropic of Cancer passes through? Answer option B, Jharkhand. Where is Dakshin Gangotri situated? Answer option D, Antarctica. In which of the following states Loktak Lake is situated? Answer option A, Manipur. Which of the following states in India has the largest area under forest cover? Answer option B, Chhattisgarh. Which of the following state is the leading producer of salt in India? Answer option C, Gujarat. Which of the following states is the largest producer of gypsum? Answer option D, Rajasthan. 90 of coal in India is found in which state? Answer option B, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Tata Iron and Steel Company is located at? Answer option A, Jamshedpur. The name of highest mountain peak in India is? Answer option A, Goodwin Austin. The name of largest freshwater lake in India is? Answer option B, Ullar Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. The name of largest saline water lake in India is? Answer option C, Chilika Lake, Odisha. The name of highest dam in India is? Answer option A, Tehri Dam, Uttarakhand. The name of longest dam in India is? Answer option B, Hirakud Dam, Odisha. The name of oldest dam in India is? Answer option C, Kalanai Dam, Tamil Nadu. The name of highest waterfall in India is? Answer option C, Kuchikal Falls, Karnataka. The name of second highest waterfall in India is? Answer option A, Barehi Pani Waterfalls, Odisha. The name of third highest waterfall in India is? आंसर ऑप्शन बी नोहकालिकाई फॉल्स मेघालय। द नेम ऑफ लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज इन इंडिया इज। आंसर ऑप्शन बी भूपेन हजारिका सेतु आसाम। द नेम ऑफ सेकेंड लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज इन इंडिया इज। आंसर ऑप्शन सी दिबांग रिवर ब्रिज। द नेम ऑफ थर्ड लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज इन इंडिया इज। आंसर ऑप्शन ए महात्मा गांधी सेतु बिहार। द लार्जेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल लेक इन एशिया इज। आंसर ऑप्शन डी गोविंद बल्लभ पंत सागर। द लॉन्गेस्ट लेक इन इंडिया इज। आंसर ऑप्शन ए भेम्बानंद लेक केरल। द हाईएस्ट लेक इन इंडिया इज। आंसर ऑप्शन सी चोलामू लेक सिक्किम। कन्वार लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन सी बिहार। सूरसागर लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन डी गुजरात। ब्रिगू लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन ए हिमाचल प्रदेश। बड़खा लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन बी हरियाणा स्टेट। दाल लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन डी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। प्रसार लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन ए हिमाचल प्रदेश। ब्लू बर्ड लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन बी हरियाणा। उलार लेक इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन डी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। आगरा लेक इज सिचुएटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन ए कर्नाटक। सरदार सरोवर डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन सी गुजरात। कृष्णा सागर डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन ए कर्नाटक। भवानी सागर डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन बी तमिलनाडु। तुंगभद्रा डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन ए कर्नाटक। रंजीत सागर डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन बी पंजाब। गांधी सागर डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन सी मध्य प्रदेश। ओमकारेश्वर डैम इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर ऑप्शन सी मध्य प्रदेश। द लार्जेस्ट मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड इज लोकेटेड इन। आंसर ऑप्शन डी वेस्ट बंगाल। द ओनली स्टेट इन इंडिया दैट प्रोड्यूस सैफरन इज। आंसर ऑप्शन सी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। India's first atomic power plant is located in. Answer option B Tarapur. Which Indian state known as Garden Spice? Answer option C Kerala. Which city is called Golden City of India? Answer option A Amritsar. Which is called Manchester of India? Answer option C Ahmedabad. Which is called Twin City of India? Answer option C both A and B Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Which is called City of Festival? Answer option D Mumbai. Which is called city of Deccan Queen? Answer option A Pune. Which is called city of buildings? Answer option C Kolkata. Which is called egg bowls of Asia? Answer option D Andhra Pradesh. Which city is called city of Nawab? Answer option A Lucknow. Which is called Hollywood of India? Answer option C Mumbai. Which is called city of lakes? Answer option D Srinagar. Which city is called steel city of India? Answer option A Jamshedpur. Which city is called electronic city of India? Answer option B Bengaluru. Which city is called gateway of India? Answer option C Mumbai.